So I'm going to be sharing with you my huge haul, and this is accumulation of Aldi's, Walmart, Sam's, and Dollar Tree. So I don't have them in order like I usually do. I'm trying to get this stuff in the refrigerator soon, so I just put it up here as best I can to show it to you guys. So we're getting ready to go from this side, from this side to that side. So I got two 18 count eggs, which I've been having issues, and tell me if you have the same problem. The brown eggs have been having like blood in them and different things like that I don't see in the white eggs. I don't know. Somebody can probably tell me something, a reason why or whatever, but I'm tired of seeing little specks in my brown eggs. I might try them again some other time, but these were only 3 something for 18 count, and I paid 3 something for 18 count of brown, so I just went back to these from Sam's. And then also from Sam's, I'll just tell you where the stuff is from because it's all mixed up. I got a 3-row of chicken wings, and these were $9.82. And then I got from Aldi's, I got 2 packs of thighs. One that is basically 6.4, almost 6.5 pounds, and then this one is 4 and some change. So this was 420 something, and then this one was 641. Then back here from Sam's, we ran out of our hot sauce. We ran out of like all the stuff that we like to keep in the house. It's crazy. You know how it's that time where it's like you can go a couple months and then it's like, I gotta get groceries and I gotta get all of our essentials. So anyways, our hot sauce is low. It's like way down here. So we got another one of them. We got ginger ales. We got some more vinegar because you know I use that on a regular. And it's cheaper at Aldi's than to get the Heinz ones from Walmart. So FYI, I did tell you guys that before, but just another reminder. Their orange juice is awesome. The one with the pulp is the one my husband like. I like it too. So yeah, they didn't have the pink lemonade, raspberry lemonade again. So I just got regular lemonade. And then we have the sausage. The lemonades were from Aldi's. These sausage are from Sam's. And these sausage are pretty good. And you get 42 of them. And I think it's like $9. We always have to have the 15-pound bag of Arm & Hammer. My mom-in-law, I usually get her cucumbers. And underneath there is some grapes, some red grapes. So we got those. And then I got this because I'm going to do a quick sort of like crock pot potato meal, and I needed that, and I'll hopefully I have my editing on point by then so I can share that. I'm not sure, but let's just move on. Then I got a bag of potatoes from Aldi's, and then I got 2 things of butter from Aldi's, 2 different bacons from Sam's. These are the big thick cut, and you get 2 packs, and these are about $16. And I got 2 of them. I got the double smoked, which is a new flavor that I don't remember seeing before, and then I got applewood. We both were looking at it. Listen, guys, Tom is here, and you know this haul is just extremely over excessive with junk food because I went in there, first of all, did not eat before I went shopping, and second of all, Tom is here. So imagine that. That's all I'm going to say. So we got these home style Eggo waffles from Sam's. Those were like 6 something, I think 7 something. We got these. I love these. Oh my gosh. If you like a good Jamaican patty and you have never tried this one from the Caribbean Food Delights with the cheese in it, you are missing out. And oh my gosh, if you could put it between some cocoa bread, you don't even understand the life that you have abundance of eating that. Anywho, so then we got some honey wheat from Aldi's. These were from Save-A-Lot, guys, and these are cheaper than buying a big box from Sam's. So that's FYI, cheaper than Costco, Sam's, and BJ's. So that's just the FYI. I love these old school iced oatmeal cookies. I like to dip these in milk, so I got that. And I like to dip the chocolate chip ones. I got those. And I got a bag of candy for the trick-or-treaters. Just got it early, and I'll just set that to the side. Then I have some almond extract, which is, I wish that vanilla was this cheap. This is only $1.99. Can't beat that. And I got to have that for some cakes that I make. And then I got lemon juice. This is from Dollar Tree. I love zebra cakes, and this is like sort of like it, but like a fall themed. So yeah, so I got those, and my kids love zebra cakes too. And these indulgent trail mix from, those zebra cakes were from Aldi's. These trail mix are amazing, and look what's inside of them. That's all the stuff that's inside of them. Got some great stuff: peanut butter, white chocolate, almonds, raisins, and much more. And then Naya loves Baby Bell. She is a cheese eater. My child could just eat cheese all day long. So I got her the Baby Bell from Sam's, and I think this was about $8-9. I got me some graham crackers. I meant to get honey. I should have got honey, but cinnamon is not bad as well. I just like to eat those. My husband was craving fish sticks, so he got fish sticks. And we always keep DiGiorno pizzas in the deep freezer because these are if mommy don't want to cook. These are if mommy don't want to cook. These are if mommy don't want to cook. I have those moments where I'm like, y'all better find something in the freezer. So yeah, if you have not tried this pizza and you love DiGiorno's, you are sadly missing out. That tastes like how Pizza Hut pizza used to taste, that buttery, crisp pan pizza. Y'all know I just like to eat. That's just ridiculous. But I'm telling y'all, it's worth it. And it's like $11. I mean, think about ordering a pizza out. You getting two pizzas and they're a nice size and they are so worth it. They are so worth it. I would usually maybe do some hot wings on the side, or my husband might, or something like that, something quick on the side, and we'll have those. He loves his White Castles. Y'all know we went there for when we went to Missouri. I tried to share that with you guys, but I can't edit, so it's hard for me to get that vlog up for when we went to Missouri for that week. Then I have my jumbo shrimp. Y'all know I always gotta have those in my house, shrimps, because I love my shrimps and grits and just shrimps, period. And then sometimes my husband will fry them. And this is the only place we get our Polish kielbasa. Why? Because this is 4 packs and it's only $6 from Sam's. Those are $15, and these are the jumbo. Look at my hand. These are big shrimps. Very good deal. And those last us throughout the month. I don't buy them multiple times at all. I don't. If I ever buy them, they last for weeks. And Naya's request, because when mommy don't want to make cookies, they can make their own cookies. And y'all know I love ginger ales. And I was so upset that after we got the ginger ales from Aldi's, we seen these bad boys. And that is the cranberry, the blackberry, and the regular ginger ale. But oh well, they shall be drink. They shall be drunk. But whatever, we're going to drink them. So then we have this. Who is that? Somebody coming in? Oh, if you shop at Aldi's, they have changed the seal on the back to twice as nice. It used to say double guarantee. It's the same thing. Twice as nice is meaning the same thing. So it's basically item replacement and money refunded. That's why when I see stuff that looks tasty like this right here, I get it. Why? Because if I don't like it, I ain't taking it back. And this looks really tasty. Something I can eat with my tortillas. And that's the video that I'm going to share with y'all. I don't know if you'll see this video before I show y'all what I do with my tortillas. Yeah, but this is from Aldi's, and it was like $2 something. And yeah, see, this is the proof that Tom was active while we were shopping, just getting abundance of snacks and junk. But I got these, and these are so freaking flaky. Like, when they say flaky, they literally mean flaky. A lot of times they say flaky and they are not flaky. No, these really are flaky, and they taste just like cream cheese. Amazing. And you get 4 of these. And y'all know when you go buy one of these cans, these rolls by itself, it's like $3. You get 4 of these for $6 and some change. Sam's. Good deal. Okay, I got something. I'm going to get this first before I move on. Instead of getting the chips like I normally do, I tried getting these, and these are really good because it has a combination of all the different things we all like in them. The Munchie Mix. So, yep, I got that from Sam's. And then always got to have my Capri Suns for my daughter's lunchbox. So I just got 2 boxes of those, and it's 4 in each box. And those are, I think, $7, $6.98 or something for 4, which is a good deal to buy them in bulk. Okay, moving along, my Glade refills. I couldn't find the berry one I wanted. These Glade refills can be so expensive, and I couldn't find them on Amazon. And I really love like the cherry smell, peony and cherry or berry. I like that smell. I'm not a real flower smelling girl. scented, girl, that's what I meant to say, for stuff in my house. So I got these, and these were like 9 something, and you get another warmer, so we'll just stick that somewhere else in the house. But yep. And then that was from Sam's. These were from Sam's. I always have to get these for Rizzy. Like, we all love the Slim Jims, but Rizzy is the one who always requests that they are here in the house. So then Naya loves hummus, so I got another roasted garlic hummus from Aldi's, Lord. And then I got some more sour cream from Aldi's for my cake. Another lemon juice, 2 mango nectars from Dollar Tree, plus the lemon juice. The elbows, Dollar Tree as well. And bananas, Aldi's. And then, yeah, these were hubby's, Dollar Tree. These are mine, the white Twix and the white Kit Kats, mine. These are mine from Aldi's, and I want to eat these. I really want to eat these. These look so good. So yeah, all these little candies, and then this is Naya's, and this is Naya's. We're going on a trip, so this is like stuff that we're going to take on the road, so just so you know. Cream cheese, because I always need that. Naya likes to put that on her raisin bread and bagels and stuff. Hubby loves apple juice. We all love it, but that's his request, so we got apple juice. We needed some Baby Ray's for some chicken sandwiches I'm going to be doing. Got some stir fry. Aldi's. Stir fry from Aldi's. I'm going to do like a chicken stir fry, some corn, some more salmon, another request for the glazed salmon. And then they had Fruity Pebbles at Aldi's. These were from Aldi's as well. I think these were like $3.99 a bag. Not bad with the skin off, so you don't have to worry about cutting the skin off. And these honey grams are so freaking good from Aldi's. Like, they taste like the original honey gram. If you didn't try them, you need to try them. We love cereal. And my husband loved Fruity Pebbles, and we seen that they had those at Aldi's, so we got that. We got some hash browns, and then I got my big box again that I like to keep downstairs. Remember, I was doing the bags. This is a much better deal because for 5 pounds, it's like 50 something dollars when I was paying $24 for 2 pounds. Yeah, so this is a better deal, and I'll show y'all what you get. See? And I just break off what I want, put it back in the freezer, and I make what I'm going to eat. And I think, guys, I think that is it. That is my haul, and I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. And if you have any questions, leave it below, and I'll be sure to get back at you. All right? I will talk to you guys later, Gators.